Welcome. Today, we share stories of ordinary people who faced unimaginable hardships but emerged stronger than ever. Get ready to ignite a fire within you and find the resilience within yourself. Life throws unexpected obstacles, pushing us to our limits. But remember, within you lies the power to rise again, no matter how hard you fall. Rule 1. Embrace resilience. Back from adversity. Keep going when things get tough. Unleash your inner strength and rise again. Rule 2. Embrace growth. Failures, setback are opportunities for learning. Embrace them as stepping stones towards your own transformation. Rule 3. Embrace courage. It takes courage to rise again. Face your fears, step outside your comfort zone, and let courage guide you towards greatness. Remember these 3 rules. Embrace resilience, embrace growth, and embrace courage. No matter how many times you fall, you have the power within you to rise again and conquer anything that comes your way. Thank you for watching this empowering video. If it resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more motivational content.